Promoting a new teeth whitening business can be a challenge, but with the right strategies in place, it's possible to get the word out and attract customers. Here are some tips to help you get started. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great places to promote your business and reach a large audience. Share before and after photos of your customers, post testimonials, and create eye-catching graphics to grab attention. Offer special discounts or promotions to new customers to encourage them to try your services. This can be a great way to get people in the door and build a strong customer base. Partner with other local businesses, such as dental offices or spas, to reach a wider audience. Offer them a referral fee for sending customers your way, or collaborate on a joint promotion. Consider investing in local advertising, such as flyers, posters, or ads in local newspapers and magazines. This can be a cost-effective way to reach a targeted audience. Offer a satisfaction guarantee. Customers are more likely to try your services if they know they can get their money back if they are not satisfied. Offer a money-back satisfaction guarantee to give people peace of mind when trying your services. Use online reviews. Encourage customers to leave online reviews on sites like Google and Yelp. Positive reviews can be a powerful tool for attracting new customers. Host a launch event. Host a launch event to introduce your business to the community and show off your services. Invite local media, community leaders, and influencers to help spread the word. By following these tips, you can effectively promote your new teeth whitening business and attract customers. Remember to be patient, consistent, and creative, and you'll see results in no time.